Astro is a meta framework with JavaScript and TypeScript support. It works with hydration, so basically it will it will compile everything down to HTML and CSS by default. Elian Van Cutsen, I'm from Belgium. I'm a freelancer and I'm currently the lead developer relations at React Bricks. It's a site builder, just like you have Nuxt or Next, which probably you juniors know, but it has a cool twist that by default everything is statically rendered, so just as HTML, and you can define your islands of interactivity where it will ship JavaScript. Astro is a meta framework with JavaScript and TypeScript support. It works with hydration, so basically it will it will compile everything down to HTML and CSS by default, and then in the end it will hydrate where you put it to. For that we have client directives, which basically you are in charge of hydrating components wherever and however you want. So you can choose client load, for instance, which just will ship JavaScript. You have client idle, which will wait until the main thread of the browser is empty. And it's pretty cool, yeah. Let's say JavaScript is a technology ideal for marketing websites or content-driven applications because it by default will contain all of your website in HTML, so it's better searchable, it's better in your SEO stuff, it's a little bit better in performance because of the defaults. But you can also, of course, choose to ship some hydration to the components that you want. You can also choose how you want to interact with that component. For instance, you can use client media, which will wait until you have a certain client media query requirement met. For instance, I want a button to be only interactive on a mobile screen. That's perfectly possible. But also it supports more rendering modes like hydrate. Well, it supports 3 or 4 rendering methods. For instance, server only, it does client only, but also it does hybrid mode in between both. Findable everywhere on every platform with @Elian codes, which is my name with codes behind it, but also on the Astro Discord, which is .astro.build/chat, or everywhere else on the internet. I'm pretty findable.
Hi there, thank you for staying with us until the end. If you want to learn more about Engineer Explains, click on one of these.